In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your Costco online order for 2025 step by step. If you've recently made a purchase on the Costco website and want to stay updated on your order status, then this guide is just for you. Let's dive into the process of keeping tabs on your order with ease and confidence. Firstly, ensure that you have your Costco membership number handy. This is crucial because your membership will need to be linked to your online account to track your orders. Once you have your number, head over to the Costco website. On the homepage, look for the section where you can add your membership number. This is a necessary step to make sure your online account is synced with your actual membership, allowing you to access your orders. Simply click on the link that says Add Membership Number. This will direct you to a page where you can input your membership details. After successfully linking your membership, navigate back to the Costco homepage. Here, you'll want to find the Orders and Returns section. Usually, this is located at the top of the page, within the menu bar. Clicking on Orders and Returns will take you to a login page if you're not already signed in. If prompted, enter your login credentials. This is typically your email address and password linked to your account. When you've logged in, you'll be able to view a comprehensive list of your past and current orders. This is where you can select the specific order you wish to track. Once you locate the order you're interested in, click on it to access detailed information. Here you can see the order date, items purchased, and their shipping status. Pay close attention to the shipping details as it will give you insight into where your package is and how soon it might arrive. Costco typically provides a tracking number once the order is shipped, which you can use to track the package on the shipping carrier's website for more real-time updates. And there you have it. Following these steps, you can efficiently track your Costco online order from the comfort of your home. Remember, having your membership details readily available and ensuring your account is up to date will make this process smooth and hassle-free. We hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to simplify your online shopping experience. If you have any questions or if there's anything you'd like us to cover in future videos, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy tracking!